Turning your engine 11J784. Turning good, and the front engines looks good, as you can see. Altimeter look nice, on the good conditions. Compressor not broken, and on this side everything's good. Look at on the starter, you don't see any damage. Same as well like in the gearbox. And on this side everything nice. Engine's turbo, nice. Turbo turn on the top. Engines looking good, but all connectors was broken. On the bottom oil sump without any damage, no cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 11J784.